Aloha and welcome to another tutorial video for CIS 101, Introduction to Programming at Brigham Young University, Hawaii. In this video, let's take a look at creating your first print statement in Perl. Okay, so I'm going to start on my first line. Well, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to save this to my desktop as hello.pl. Okay. And now in my text editor, I'm going to put a comment here. Comments begin with the number sign. And in my comment, I'm going to say print hello world out to the screen. I can say by Aaron Curtis. Okay. So each line that I want in comments that I don't want the computer to run but might be useful for reference if I come back or someone else wants to look at my code, I can use these comments here, and I simply say print hello world and then semicolon. Okay, so you'll notice with these print in my text editor here, I'm using TextMate. You can use Notepad, Notepad++, TextEdit, Text Wrangler. Any of these allow us to write Perl programs, and in many of the text editors available, we have this syntax highlighting. That's called text coloring, that allows us to see different parts. So I see the print here is colored a different color. It's kind of a gray color on my screen. And then there's hello world in quotes, and that's in green, and then this semicolon here is black. So these three pieces have three different colors. The print is an operator. It's a specific pre-programmed set of instructions. And then inside of the quotation marks, this is called the string that we're going to print. Okay, anything inside these quotation marks gets printed, and that's why it's labeled as green. And then the black, it recognizes the semicolon as the end of the statement. That means I'm done telling the computer what I want it to do. So I save that, and then I'm going to open up Terminal. Okay. And then I'm going to change the directory to the desktop. I'm going to say perl hello.pl. You see it said hello world, and then gives me the command prompt again. If I want hello world to show up on its own line before the command prompt, I can go in here, and right before the last quotation mark, I can do /n. This slash right here is the one above the keyboard, not the one below the question mark. I'm going to save that again, and then we'll switch back to the terminal. We'll run it again, and now it's on its own line. So that's your first print statement, typically on Perl. And this demonstration is using TextMate on the Mac OS X platform. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and happy coding!